tiny sensor clips onto your collar or bag strap and monitors your exposure to sunlight. It connects to an app and tracks your location to give you real-time information on pollen count, pollution and humidity. The app then recommends skin regimens based on your skin tone and those environmental factors. Now the sensor itself is fairly unobtrusive, it's light, it's batteryless, and that clip is nice and sturdy. Now today, the sun's trying to poke his head out behind the clouds, so let's give it a go and see how it works. So the app's telling me that the UV index is at a moderate level, so there's a very small risk of getting sunburn today, which is something that I definitely wouldn't have predicted given the overcast state of the day. It's also worth bearing in mind that this has been released by a skincare brand, so no surprises that it's recommending its own skincare products, which does give the whole thing a little bit of an advertorial vibe. But the bottom line is we should all be more aware of the harmful effects that UV has on our skin, and this sensor can certainly help make you a little bit more conscious about it. So you've made it to your hotel room with just enough time to freshen up. Coming in a rather sleek travel case, the Genius X electric toothbrush claims to be one of the world's smartest toothbrushes, complete with AI brushing recognition. I know, a toothbrush with artificial intelligence. What exactly does that mean? Well, in this case, AI has been used to analyse thousands of different kinds of toothbrushing techniques. That information is then used to give you feedback on the way you brush your teeth. So now in the coaching part of the app. So apparently I've got a brushing score of 1%. Which is pretty poor. I promise I can brush my teeth properly. I was brushing on camera. That's my excuse, and I'm sticking to it. So I'm not quite sure how I feel about this thing. That was a pretty harsh critique of my toothbrushing technique. But what it did do is make me want to go back and try again and do better, which I did. I got a much better score. So it kind of gamifies the whole toothbrushing process, which I think is quite fun. And the fact that it lasts 2 weeks on a single charge means it's a brilliant, if slightly expensive way to look after your gnashers on your travels. There's nothing worse than feeling run down when you arrive at any destination, but sometimes when you're travelling on your own, you need an objective opinion to tell you how you really look. The High Mirror Slide is a smart mirror with a built-in camera. It can analyse your face and give you feedback on the condition of your skin before offering some tips and product recommendations. So you've got a normal mirror at the front, flanked by ridiculously bright lights. Slide that open. Right, it's just taken my photo. So it's got a few areas of analysis. We've got pores, red spots, dark spots, wrinkles. This is definitely not for those who offend easily. I'm not quite sure how I feel when I'm being subjected to quite brutal cosmetic judgment. This is designed to be portable, but it's pretty big for a travel mirror, so you might not want it taking up space in your suitcase. And while it's a nice idea in theory, its critical and quite clinical assessment of your facial flaws definitely isn't for everyone.